Hello, Khamri, Namaste. This is Lakshmi Lipcha, working as a primary teacher, and my professional qualification is Diploma in Elementary Education, and I have completed my graduation from IGNO. And it's been almost 9 years experience working as a primary teacher. My district is North, and the name of my state is Sikkim. In Sikkim, we have only 4 districts, and perhaps the North District is the most beautiful and the largest among the 4. North Sikkim is laden with full of natural beauties, stream, lakes, and snow-capped mountains. The two most beautiful lakes of Sikkim are Cholamu and Gurudongmar Lake. In North Sikkim, we also have one historical significance place called Kabilongchok, where the treaty between the two tribes, Lepcha and Bhutia, was made. The treaty was called Treaty of Brotherhood, which was made between the Lepcha chieftain Thikung Tik and the Bhutia chieftain Khebumsa. Name of my school is Mangjing Primary School, Opojonggu, North Sikkim, and total enrollment in the school is 26 from nursery to class 5. The pin code is 737116. The problem area. Let's talk about the problem area. As I said that our school lies in the remote area of Opojonggu, North Sikkim, with the weak internet facilities and shortage of electricity. And most of the children are first generation learner and their parents are illiterate. So whatever we are teaching them, whatever activity we used to give them, it is very difficult for them to retain in their mind for the long time, because they are not getting help at home. They are not getting help from the parents. So these are the problems which we face in the school. Let's talk about the JEI training. So through the training, we got to interact with the other teachers, where we get ideas to share, and we get some solutions for the challenges which we face in the school. And through the training, we got the demonstration of IPCT applications, knowledge to access the IPCT tools, learn about the CWSN, family trees, and the activities, concept mapping, etc. So all the credit which whatever I have mentioned earlier, we have got the knowledge about it, and the credit goes to our most energetic mentor, Shandip sir. And I want to give huge gratitude from the core of my heart to the Shandip sir for guiding us and providing us very useful and fruitful training. So thank you so much, Shandip sir. IPCT, or Innovative Pathshala Training. As I already mentioned earlier, that the training gave me a bunch of new and innovative ideas which really going to help in teaching learning process. So I'm really going to use those ideas in my school in days to come, and I'm 100% sure that the training will going to impact on the learning outcome of the student. As I already mentioned earlier, that the problem which I face in the school during the teaching learning process. So now I got the ideas that if I need to teach them the topic like family, friends, relationship, we can give them activities like family trees, which is very easy for them. And the family trees activities is not only to teach them the relationship between their relatives and the friends, but we can use that activity for different purposes also. And if I need to teach them the grammar or part of speech, we can teach them through the method called concept mapping. And this is the concept mapping method is not only for to teach the grammar, but that can be used for different mathematical sequence also. So I got the solution for the problem which I faced earlier. The role model school. So my school, as I said, that my school lies in one of the remote area of Upper Janggu, North Sikkim, which is underdeveloped area, and most of the parents, I already mentioned that most of the parents are illiterate and they are isolated from the advanced tools and technologies of 21st centuries. So if my school selected as a role model school of the district, this will not only going to uplift the school development, but it also going to open the door for the parents, for the localities towards the development. So I feel that if my school gets selected as a role model, this will not only going to help my school only, but it also going to help the whole society. So lastly, I would like to say thanks to Sri Aurobindo Society, ZIIEI, and HDFC Bank for providing us a huge platform to showcase our innovation, showcase our innovative ideas, and providing us very useful and fruitful training which will going to bring revolution in teaching learning process, but with zero investment. So please like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.